Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the new way to transfer money from Revolut to your bank in 2025, and I'll make it super simple so you can do it in just a few clicks. First, open your Revolut app and tap on Transfer. In the top right corner, click New. You'll see several options here. You can send money to friends, abroad, or even to a crypto wallet. But what we're after is sending money to your bank account. So select Bank Recipient. Now, you'll need to enter your IBA in. That's your international bank account number, which you can find in your bank account details. After entering it, just add the recipient. The great part, you can save these details so the next time you want to transfer money, you just select your saved bank account and send it instantly with one click. And that's it. Your money is on its way to your bank safely and quickly. No complicated steps, no extra fees, just a smooth transfer straight from Revolut. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.